Hello guys! I filmed this easy holiday makeup hacks tutorial for you where I will teach you how to do festive makeup using unconventional approach. You like makeup hacks videos, don't you? I apologize for my voice, it's still a little bit off, I talk in my nose, but I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and learn some ways to save on makeup and do your holiday makeup with the twist. Before every full coverage makeup, I use Smashbox Photo Finish primer or any other primer that's appropriate for that makeup. Today I just wanted to polish on my pores a little bit, so I used that one. And I just applied it with my hands all over my face. And then I use a Revlon Photo Ready primer for my eyelids. And then I took on a Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette and I used a cream color on my whole upper eyelid, and that could be any color that matches your skin color. And then to create a little bit of shade, I just use taupe, which is just a tan color to kind of create a false crease, and I used it under my eyes as well. And now I am going to mix glitter and liquid eyeliner, and that's one of the hacks that I teach, and I think it's really great because you don't have to buy additional glitter eyeliner. You just mix two and you are ready to do it. Okay, so I'm just applying it, and you can do any shape you want. I just did a very light cat eye. So, and my next hack is actually mixing a Reveal concentrated illuminizing drops in champagne and my Artistry Youth Extend Lifting Smoothing Foundation. And applying it as a foundation together. So it's like it creates a luminous foundation for you. You don't have to buy it. You can just mix your liquid highlighter with your foundation, and that's gonna be a great trick. For my under eyes, I use Artistry brightening Exact Fit Perfecting Concealer, and you can use any. I just like it to be light under there. I don't want to pack on it and make it look dry and heavy. And then I'll just use that same highlighter, liquid highlighter on the top of my cheeks and a little bit around. I just went all the way around. And my next hack is using your setting spray, and I'm using Urban Decay all over your skin and tapping it over with your beauty blender for it to last. And then I'm just using a loose powder. You can use any translucent powder for that purpose, very lightly, because you already used a setting spray. You actually don't need too much, but look how much glow you would have in your skin if you use this technique. So my next hack is going to be with the eyelashes, and we all know how hard it is to apply eyelashes, fake eyelashes. So what I do, I actually cut the eyelashes in 3 parts. And that's an amazing hack, because when you cut it in 3 parts and you apply it in 3 parts on your eye, it's much easier than apply it in 1 part. So try this. This is a very nice trick. So I apply Clinique mascara on my eyelashes before I apply my eyelashes, the fake eyelashes. And the trick is to apply a glue on each part and dry it before applying it on your eyes. And that's basically also a very good hack, because if you don't dry it enough, it's not gonna stick, it's gonna come off as soon as you apply it. So you just apply it part by part on your both eyes, eyelash lines, and that's a very easy way to do it actually. See, I did 1 eye and voila, 2 eyes. And I already did my contouring. I have a separate video for that. And now I need my lipstick. So what I do, and that's also a hack to make the lips look bigger, you just apply matte lipstick, and I'm using NYX soft cream, and you just rub it with your finger a little bit over the lip line, and look at this, my lips, my small lips look much fuller. I hope you like this makeup tutorial. I hope you learned something, and I hope you subscribe and watch my other videos. I am here to help you. Ask me any questions in your comments. Bye!